Hello, folks. This is Derek today here to pelt his brother with a water bomb. That's right, a water bomb made out of paper and some tape. Really easily. I can show you how to do it. Just like, comment, and subscribe so I know you want one. I do clean and crisp tutorials. Okay, so here I'm going to have to fill it up, and that should be relatively quick. Sorry for the wait. Alright, that's not too full, but let's just hope this works. Ryan, come quick!
No.
Please, Ryan! Seriously, my poop is blue! That's right!
This isn't cool, okay? Clean it all up.